So the concept of the shop was really for it to be a space to champion diverse storytelling, narratives, and really put young girls and female writers onto our bookshelves, and the importance of seeing and reading stories that reflect the world that we live in.
Really, Marvel stood out from the beginning. It's an agency that has a very close alignment in terms of values and how they see experiential and how they see physical as a medium to change the world. So working with the Marvel team is marvelous. Like, honestly, they have shown incredible communication both with the brand and with us.
It was wonderful working with the team at Marble London. They were fantastic from concept to actually popping up in the space and creating every little detail that you see. They worked so closely with us in realizing it, really accommodating what our needs would be for the space. So they've done a fantastic job.